Hey guys, it's Brandon here, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a conversation I had with a soon-to-be client who is considering selling his $120,000 collectible car in order to buy his first oceanfront condo so that he can set his children up in a better position in their future, paying for their wedding, paying for their college, paying for their first home. He's thinking legacy. He's thinking correctly. I enjoyed the conversation with him so much. Anyways, I don't want to hold us up. We are also going to be on a little bit of a walk to Main Street. I'm right here in North Myrtle Beach. You can see right there Main Street back behind me. This is the downtown area. I've just been filming a little bit over at the Ashworth, but I wanted to take a quick moment to share, I'm going to say his name is Bryan, Bryan's story from Hickory, North Carolina, because it encouraged me so much. Much like Matt Freese's story, selling his single family home to move his family into an apartment so he could buy his first oceanfront condo, and $1.4 million later in profit, his family knows it was a really solid decision. Now guys, you got to watch the must-see investor interview playlist with Matt Freese, who owns 11 oceanfront condos, Rufia Nigro, who owns 27 oceanfront condos, over $10 million worth, and of course Gosha Cook, who owns 24 properties, 15 of which are Myrtle Beach Oceanfront condos. There are other investors on the channel too. Mike McKenzie, he owned a unit over at the Caribbean. Michael Fuller, he owns a unit over at the Caribbean. There's lots of people. Listen guys, you got to watch the investor interview playlist because they drop the golden nuggets that you need to know about in order to be successful. Now, I don't want to hold us up. Let's get into the video now. You'd like to invest in an oceanfront condo at a beach resort. I'd like to show you how they make profit and break down all their expenses so you understand how they operate, how they appreciate over time, and how to choose the right property manager for your goals. I'd also like to let you know what your HOA includes, how the location best services the tourist booking your unit, how your tourist can navigate the area to the best attractions, restaurants, and local events. I'd like to give you a market report on the resort that you're checking out today so that you make savvy investment decisions. And if you stay tuned until the end, I'll show you my top picks for the units that have appreciated the most in our market or generated the most gross rental income. So no matter if you're a first-time investor, a seasoned professional transitioning into the real estate game, or simply a casual investor who wants to buy an oceanfront condo to rent out while you're not using it for vacation. Whether you've got 15% to pay down because you're financing or you're a cash buyer, if it's an oceanfront condo you're after, you'll be better because I'm aiming to give you a 10 times return on your time for watching this video to the end. All right, guys, we're going to take a quick walk right up the street to Main Street, the downtown section of North Myrtle Beach, so you can see just how close you are. Now, I want to tell you about a gentleman that called me this past week. I'll just say his name is Bryan. That's not his real name. Very nice guy. I got to chatting with him. He called me because he was watching a sea mist video of mine on YouTube, right? And he wants my one-on-one opinion of what is the sea mist worth? Is it a worthwhile investment? Can you make money with it? Maybe he thought I was going to have a different story one-on-one than I did on YouTube, which I don't. Now, let me break it down. Sea Mist Resort. Yes, I had a client there that made $33,000 renting her ocean view unit out, on Airbnb. She sent me the screenshots of how much money she made. I saw it. She made 33 grand. Another guy I talked to on the phone, he lived in one unit and rented another one. He made $28,000 renting the other unit out. So can you make money at the Sea Mist? Yes. Can you make almost half the cost of the unit? Yes. In a lot of ways, that's an excellent return. I mean, if I can make 50% of the cost of it. Anyways, the point is that Sea Mist can turn, you can make a profit. After your operating expenses, you're probably going to make, let's just say 10, 12, at best, maybe $14,000 a year profit. It's still a good return for a $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 condo. They're probably the cheapest condos in the entire United States that are oceanfront. However, they're not the nicest place in the world. I mean, according to my wife's taste, she would not stay there. She would not be comfortable there. However, there are plenty of tourists that rent there and spend their money, and their money is green. It works. A lot of investors can't separate their personal taste and personal preferences, their lifestyle preferences from their investment hat. They're not thinking in terms of dollars and cents. They're thinking, I don't like this. Why would somebody else like it? Well, the world's bigger than you, and the market is bigger than you. Preaching to myself. And the market, there are different markets for different products. And for every walk of life, there is a market and a guest for every condo. It's just that simple and that easy. Now, I get calls, emails, and texts all the time from investors just like you looking to make an investment in Myrtle Beach oceanfront condos or commercial properties in our market. If that's you and you need a savvy investor to run financial analysis, to generate profit and loss statements, that has the research and has, hard factual data that backs up how these condos have rented. If you need proof, I can get it for you. No matter where you are in the journey though, don't be a stranger. We've got lots of stories. Lots of investors call off of YouTube, email, text me. I work with all kinds of people from all over the world, guys. I want their story to be your story. So pick up the phone, give me a call, get over your fear, stop being afraid. The season's almost over. You can't waste any more time. Stop watching videos and pick up the phone and take action, because it can be a life-changing decision to make contact with me and open a new chapter of your life. 843-360-1737. So I walk Bryan through all this. We're talking about it, and as I'm, talking with him, telling him, hey, you need to get a 3-bedroom. That's the best place to start. These, and guys, just take a look around. We're already here. This is Main Street. This is where all the action's happening. I'll just keep walking a little bit, but basically, guys, as I was telling him, a 3-bedroom is the way to go. Operationally, the smaller condos, the guests, do more fraudulent claims. There are more headaches, more complaints, more problems. From what I understand, the larger oceanfront condos is less complaints, less fraudulent issues, less problems. So from an operational standpoint, less headache for you to deal with. Additionally, there's less supply of the larger oceanfront condos, so there's less competition. So there's a lot less risk if you buy a larger oceanfront condo when compared to the thousands of smaller oceanfront condos on the market. So just hat off there, But appreciation-wise, the larger oceanfront condos make 3 times, 4 times, and even 5 times as much as the smaller oceanfront condos. So if you're going to put your money in something, I'd rather get 3 or 4 times the amount of appreciation for the same 10-year hold as opposed to 3 times less, 3 or 4 times less. So ultimately, we walk all through that. He gets to talking to me, and his heart is really for his kids. It was beautiful. He was telling me he was considering selling a collectible car that he had. He's going to make $120,000, I think, selling this collectible car. He had to walk that through his wife, work that whole out with that conversation out with his wife. But it was really on his heart, taking care of his kids, building legacy, the righteousness that comes with a heart for your kids, which was beautiful and commendable. It was clear to me that righteousness and legacy was on this man's heart. And he had a heart for his kids, and I could identify with that. I love my babies. I think the same way about it. So anyways, hats off to Bryan for wanting to sell his collectible car to get into oceanfront condo investing. Much like Matt Freeze, who sold his family's primary home and moved them into an apartment so he could buy his first oceanfront condo, and then made over $1.4 million in profit in an 8-year period on oceanfront condos. Was it worth it? Yes. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because you can enjoy and increase the passive income of your oceanfront condo through the 20 to 22 million tourists that visit the #2 vacation destination on the East Coast each year. Not only can you enjoy the equity paid for by visiting tourists, but you can also anticipate the over 100% appreciation experience at many of the oceanfront resorts in our market during the recent decade. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because you can depreciate them, reducing your overall tax burden, keeping more money for you and your loved ones, and ensuring unnecessary taxes aren't paid. Now, I started walking Bryan through a little bit of the conversation, because I was inspired, and I was probably actually really encouraged. I was encouraged by the fact that he was actually considering this and wanting to do this for his kids. And I said to him, I was like, Bryan, that's not his real name. Bryan, ultimately, when your kids grow up and they need money for a business, they need money for a house, they need to pay for a wedding, they need to pay for college, whatever the reason is, you're going to say one of two things. Oh, we had a lot of fun with my collectible car, and we got to go to a few car shows, and that was great. Or, hi, son, I paid a price so that you didn't have to pay it. I paid a price so that you could start off better than I started off, so that you don't have to go through the things that I went through. It's just that simple and that easy and that real, literally. So what I want you to take from this, if you take anything, is the decisions that we make today are impacting our kids. And you can continue to ignore it. You can continue to act like it's not real, but the decisions that you're making is feeding their lives, literally. And hats off to Bryan for wanting to leave a legacy for his kids, wanting to buy up 4 and 5 properties and scale a portfolio so that his kids had more than he had, and being willing to sacrifice. Now, he had to talk all about that with his wife. Him and I were chuckling and laughing about it. And I was like, yeah, your wife's probably going to be on the fence a little bit, seeing you swing from collectible car to selling the car and going to, buying investment condos. Obviously I joked about how my wife would be a little bit cautious of extreme behavior like that. It was cool. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed talking with him. He was from Hickory, North Carolina. Cool guy. But all that being said, guys, you need to make the tough choices now so that your kids and your grandkids start off life better than you did. Don't have to go through the things that you went through. The hard choices yield the fruit. They're gonna satisfy your soul. And really encouraged by Bryan's story. I'm hoping his story encourages you to pick up the phone and give me a call. It's 843-360-1737. Now, Bryan and I got to talking, and sure enough, I was like, yes, if you sell your collectible condo, or excuse me, your collectible car, I can get you into a nice condo over at the Compass Cove. There was a gentleman there. I've recently had it on some of my videos. He's a one-bedroom. He's got 2 one-bedroom condos. One made $55,000. The other one for the last 2 years has made over $60,000. The point is, yes, you can buy a cheaper oceanfront condo and make great money if you remodel it and you run the business well. We're talking $22,000 profit a year off that one-bedroom condo, and they got purchase prices as low as $149,000. There might be some a little bit cheaper, $180,000, some $200,000, some a little bit above. But the point is, those one bedrooms at Compass Cove, investors sleep on them and they make money all day long. So stop sitting on the sidelines, pick up the phone, give me a call. It's 843-360-1737. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because this is the fastest growing area out of the 150 most populated areas in the entire United States for the last 3 years in a row, according to U.S. News and World Report. This helps to insulate our market from many of the ups and downs that the rest of our nation's real estate market experiences. This can help you have a more stable rental property. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because they have a tremendous upside when compared to money market accounts and the stock market, due to the appreciation they earn and the potential of higher annual yields through their gross rental income when compared to these other investments. Money market accounts and the stock market don't have the upside of added appreciation. I believe you should invest in oceanfront condos in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because while our prices have risen and have held their value, we're also much cheaper than other places like Florida. Where else can you go and find an oceanfront condo for as little as $100,000? If you're getting into the real estate game or expanding your current portfolio, the bang for your buck is sitting right on the Myrtle Beach, South Carolina oceanfront. I get calls and emails every day from investors just like you looking to make their move into the Myrtle Beach market. They want to invest in short-term vacation rental properties. They want to invest in oceanfront condos. They want to know where the best deals are in our market. Well, guys, you're talking to the right person. 843 360-1737. I'm going to help you put your hands on the best deals in our market. If you're a first-time investor or a seasoned investor, if you're 1 year, 6 months, 3 years out, I don't care where you are in the investing process, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text message, and let one of the many stories on our channel be one of your stories.